Hello students of 6th grade. This is the video about week number 8. And this week we are going to start unit 5. And also this week I ask you please to complete these Google Forms to evaluate your work and mine. Okay, here you have the link so you can answer the form, okay, the questionnaire. So you just need to click the correct answer for you, okay? And when you finish, I will see the results, the general results, so I can improve and you can improve. After that, I am going to continue explaining the contents of Unit 5. We are going to, let's go to the contents. So as you can see, number 5, we are going to continue with the past simple, but in this case, we are going to study the irregular verbs. Here you have the irregular verbs that we are going to study. And also you have the photocopy, the copy that I gave you the last day that we saw each other. So you have the table. But let's start. What materials do you need? You need class book, activity book, and your notebook. First of all, take your notebook and you need to do the front page of Unit 5. So this is the title for the front page. Unit 5, Live at Home. After that, when you finish your front page, you need to watch this video. You need to click here and you will go to this video on YouTube. Watch the video to learn the structure of the past simple of irregular verb. It's the same structure as regular verbs, but in this case, irregular verbs, they don't add ed. They just change. They completely change. So what you need to do is to remember them, to study them. Okay, then you need to open the class book page 42 and we are going to do activities 1 and 3. For activity 1, you need to listen this listening. You need to click here. Okay? If you click here, you will go to this page. Okay? You just need to click here to play the listening and you will listen the pronunciation of this vocabulary, okay, of these sentences. After that, you need to copy in your notebook this chart, okay, irregular verbs, and copy this. When you finish copying this, you can do activity 3. So you need to copy, oh my God, yeah, here. You need to copy the sentences. One moment. Okay, so in your notebook, copy activity 3 and copy these 4 sentences and you need to write true or false. How do you know? You can read this information and this information. Okay? Sorry. When you finish, you can listen if you want the pronunciation. So this is a link for this pronunciation. when you finish, after that, go to activity book page 46. You need to do activities 1, 2, 3, and 1 extra activity, and this is a portfolio activity. But let's explain activity number 1. Activity number 1, you need to complete these sentences with the verbs, with the irregular verbs that you have here: had, went, gave, said, or so. Some of them you can repeat them, okay? It's very easy. Write the verbs here and then read the sentence, I went to Fatima's house. What picture is this sentence? As you can see, this is the first sentence. I went to Fatima's house. Activity 2, you need to look at the photos and complete here with the verb in the past, with the irregular verb in the past. And then activity 3, you need to imagine, okay? You need to imagine that you went to a party. So you need to complete the information about the party and about you. This is just invented, okay? So last week I went to a birthday party, for example. I gave a present. I saw my friends Lucy, Fatima, and David. I had sandwiches, or I had a birthday cake. I said happy birthday to Lucy, for example. And the extra activity, you need to write in your notebook 3 things that you did yesterday. You need to use these verbs: went, gave, saw, had, and said. You have 2 options. Do it in your notebook and take a photo and upload it in your portfolio folder in the drive, or you can open a new document in your folder, in your English folder, and your English portfolio folder, and type directly there in your document. Let's continue. Activity book page 77. You need to do activities 1, 2, and 3. Let's explain the activities. Let's go to activity book. In the first activity, as you can see, these are some words, but they are not in order. The words are not in order. So you need to write on the top the correct order. For example, this is April. So write here the correct form, April, and April is a month of the year. So you write here April. Let's see an example. Said is this, okay? So it goes here. Another example, had, okay? This is a verb, it's had, okay? Activity 2, you need to look at Sophie, you need to look and write what Sophie did at the beginning of the school year. So you have in the chart September, October, November, December, January, February. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So because in December, there are 2 sentences. So you need to write 2 sentences about December. So number 1, September. Number 2, October. Number 3, November. Number 5, December, this. Number 5, December, this, 6 and 7, okay? So in September, Sophie go to a new school. Go, it's present, okay? So you need to change these verbs: go, give, have, say, see, have, and go in the past, because they are irregular verbs. Sophie went to a new school in September. October, give that a scarf for his birthday. So she, because Sophie it's a girl, gave, past form of give, her dad a scarf for his birthday in October. Number 3, this is Matt. What did Matt do last Sunday? He did a lot of things. So you need to write activities and times of his diary. In his diary, sorry. So let's see the first example. Last Sunday, okay? I got up, you need to write as you were Matt, sorry. I got up, what time? At 8 o'clock. Okay, so we are going to review the time. Next. Okay? And to finish, with the activity book, you need to go to page 83 and only do one activity, activity 1. What do you need to do? To write again the sentences, but in this case, you need to change the verbs in past simple, okay? Let's see an example. Activity 1. Look, 1. Yesterday, past of I gave my friend a present. I give my friend a present, it's in present. So let's change it into past. Give, no, gave. I gave my friend a present. Number 2, past of I have some cakes. I had some cakes, okay? Don't forget to write the full stop. And this is the end of what you need to do. But you have some extra if you want to continue practicing, so you can watch TV series, TV shows, and films in English. You can read in English if you want. In the resources for family of this blog, you will find some books to read in English online. And also you can go to Online Learning Zone. If you click here, you will go to this page. Our book is not here, but you can click here, Game Zone, and you can play some games. You are here, levels 5 and 6. Okay, so you have 4 games. Also, you can go here, Traditional Tales, where you can read as well. Okay, you have some books here and you can read and watch the videos. All right, so remember that if you have some problems or questions, you can always write to me using WebFamilia or the email account. Bye bye and see you soon, as I think.